Moto G6 Play, and let me show you how to clear credentials on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Find and select the list of all apps, then choose here Settings. Afterwards, from the following options, you need to choose Security and Location. Then let's scroll down again and choose Encryptions and Credentials. So from the following options, let's choose Clear Credentials. So if you would like to remove all content and just reset all certificates, let's tap OK right here. And that's it, you just clear credentials, so everything went well. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.